Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can move emojis on CapCut PC. So you need to add in text first. Just add it to your timeline like so. Then after that you are going to either copy and paste an emoji. I'll just use the keyboard from here. Then I'm going to select this bit and I'm just going to select this emoji. Adjust the font size, and to move it around you're going to use keyframes. Select the emoji and add a keyframe here, and you're just going to go through to frames and move your emojis around. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.